Hello everyone, I am Bogdan, and this is how you can remove scratches from an instrument cluster. We will be using the Rupes Ibrid Nano on the rotary mode, and based on the condition of the cluster, we are using a two-stage machine polish. The first stage is an aggressive cutting stage. For this we are using the Manzerna 400 on the Meguiar's microfiber cutting pads. The second stage is a refinement stage. For this we are using Sonak's Perfect Finish on the Rupes yellow pads. When doing this type of job, take your time to work the polishing area. Don't exaggerate with the polishing compound. Don't forget that refinement takes time and patience, and also make sure that you are using clean and soft microfiber towels, as plastics can be very easy to scratch. In this video you have the classic 50-50 shot, the before and after, to give you a quick reference of what can be achieved. The overall result is very hard to put in words. It gives depth and contrast to your cluster and needs to be seen to be completely understood. Now I hope that this video helped. If I forgot something or if you have ideas for future videos, please let me know in the comments below, and I shall be seeing you in the next video.